following video, I'm going to demonstrate the bass and chord technique. And basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be hitting a bass and I'm going to be doing a chord. Okay, so I'm going to do some simple chords up here. So I have a C major and a G7. I'm going to stay between the C and the G7. So down here, I'm going to have a bass. I'm hitting the 5th string. And I'm doing the chord. What I call the chord is I'm pulling all 3 strings in the bottom, the 3 treble strings, right? So I'm doing bass, chord, bass, chord, bass, chord, bass, chord. And I could also add the G, because G is part of the C chord. So I have that bass note there, right next to that C. So I have C, G, C, G. Bass, bass, chord, bass, chord, bass, chord, bass, chord. Slow motion. Now let's change to G. I'm in G7 now. And I'm going to be hitting string number 6 and number 5. We have G as our bass, and I'm going to supplement it with the B right here, okay? So we have, that's also part of the chord. So now I'm in C. I'm in G. So I just added a little bass notes there, some bass notes. So I went. That's taking us back to C. So I'm doing G, A, B, and C, right? So I'm in C. Okay, there's a little trick here. As you see, I'm playing C, and I'm mixing it up with the G on top. And then the last beat, I end up in G, and then I repeat G to go to G7. So I'm still in C. Now I move to G, and I repeat the G. Okay, you can do that at full speed. Okay, there you go. You can practice that. Start off by practicing the bass and chord technique. You can practice it a few times until you get it. Then you can add some chords. You don't have to do it in C. You can test it out with different chords also, maybe in D or in E. Same technique. The only thing that changes is the bass. Just ending up here in C. But give it a try. Start with the bass and chords and then test out different families of chords.